I created a separate channel where I post only shorts that are doing really well, to be honest. And frankly, I am impressed that within 2 weeks I got 200 subscribers, over 100,000 views, 400 hours of watch time. So you can actually see it now. I just reached on Friday or Thursday 200 subscribers, which is like 100 over the week, and I felt like, oh wow, that's really interesting, because I was not expecting it, especially that I didn't post that much of the short content this week. I'm going to keep it only for shorts and vertical videos, no longer than 2 minutes. Some sort of updates from the studio, like the one that I did today about packing my paintings. Maybe that will be the way to grow different type of audience on my shorts, and then trying to rebuild that main channel, which is monetized. And I think I earned this month like something like $2, which is crazy. I don't know. I think I can maybe buy half latte at Starbucks for it. But it's not important. I think that what is important for me with the YouTube channel to understand what content will be showing the most of my studio and myself in it. So I need to learn to be myself, but at the same time have a channel that is interesting to watch. So I was reviewing my videos that I made in the past 2 years. It's not that many of them. I think with reels, with shorts that I posted on this channel, it was something about like 1,000 videos, but again that included shorts, which I removed already, and I created a new channel for shorts, so please go and check. I think that that's something interesting. And when I was looking through those videos and watching them, those videos where I talk about my work and my practice got the most views. Those with the time-lapse where I paint or paint those little studies, not so great. Shorts did very well, but according to YouTube guidelines, shorts don't really account to the monetization, or doesn't count really much to other aspects of the, I forgot exactly what it is. The growth with shorts is great. I think that YouTube still needs to realize where they want to go with shorts. So here I am again with my channel trying to create content like this. So we'll see.